Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by stopping new traffic and saving a fallback. Enable airplane mode now, then back up any critical settings. Once done, open settings and go directly to network or data usage to see current totals and per app consumption. Make sure to note heavy hitters and timestamps because you will target them first. Next, force stop the top app, then clear its cached data. Don't uninstall yet. This rapid triage prevents more reporting while you prepare targeted removals. You'll now isolate and remove the sources. First, toggle off background data for each heavy app. This prevents background sync. Then, revoke network permissions, cellular and Wi-Fi, for apps that don't need connectivity. If an app persists, uninstall it or disable system apps where possible. When uninstalling, clear app data and cache first to remove stored usage records. Once complete, restart the device to ensure the OS recalculates active counters and stops legacy processes from reporting. Finish by resetting usage statistics or changing the billing cycle start date so the counter begins fresh. This removes residual records. Next, set a hard data limit and alerts to prevent recurrence and install a monitoring app if you need ongoing visibility. If data usage entries still appear incorrectly, consider a factory reset as a last resort, but export backups first. Troubleshooting tip. If counters persist after reset, test with a new SIM or different account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.